Duane the Wrench here. We're gonna get a cold start going, and I've got to go drive this to get the tune put on back at my house, and we're gonna have some fucking fun. Cheers. Let's see what happens. I don't know how boring that was, but what a gorgeous machine, everyone. Don't be sleeping on me. And if you're not a subscriber to this wonderful, wonderful fucking content, you could be one. I am getting the carbon fiber trunk. The C-Bond CLS trunk is coming. And we will do a video on trying to get it fucking put in and figuring it all out. Cheers, everyone.